Financial habits play a crucial role in shaping our future. Today, let's talk about some financial mistakes to avoid and how you can fix them. First, avoid taking loans for things you don't truly need. Debt can pile up quickly, so ask yourself, is this purchase worth it? If not, hold it off. Next, credit card debt. Always pay your bill in full. Paying only the minimum leads to high interest charges, which can snowball into a financial burden. Not saving enough is another mistake. Start small, but be consistent. Setting aside even a small portion of your income builds long term financial security. Many overlook the importance of budgeting. Tracking your expenses and setting limits ensures you're in control of your money, not the other way around. Delaying retirement planning is risky. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Begin as soon as possible. Finally, ensure you have adequate insurance. Health and life insurance act as financial safety nets, protecting you and your family from unexpected events. By avoiding these mistakes and building better financial habits, you set yourself up for a more secure future. Remember, small changes today lead to big rewards tomorrow.